Welcome to the complete guide to landing your ideal job with me, Judy Bullimore. I've kind of put this guide together because finding the job that you want in this highly competitive climate right now is easier said than done. I know through my experience that it requires more than just having skills and experience to do the job. There's so much more that employers and interviewers are looking for. They really need you to sell yourself. And because I review CVs and application forms on a daily basis, and because I coach people at interview, people are really underselling themselves. And there is an art to being able to appear impressive and to balance what you want with what the employer is looking for. So I've put this together to share as many hints, tips and techniques so that when you're applying for the job that you want, you have a stronger chance of getting it and you're more likely to be shortlisted and get past those interview stages. So I hope that you find it really useful. I've tried to make it as simple as possible, but I haven't held back. I'm being really, really honest about what is required to really stand out. So it's from my perspective, but it's from a perspective that works for my clients that I work with. So I hope you find it useful.